27 years of toy hunting for this prize. Much like the famous Jaws Buster Brown premium, this bugger is also hard to land and secure in the world of minifigures unless you're really on the ball. We're really on the egg. Go on, you earned it. How many years? How many years? Who the hell wraps a damn rare toy? And it's Cheaptoyman broadcasting live. Toy fun and everything else in the toy world. Folks, in memory of Mr. Robin Williams, who sadly took his life not too long ago. The Ork egg. Goddamn. Mork Mindy folks. 1978-79. You found this for your kids, you were pretty damn good, because my mom sure as hell couldn't find it, and she could find anything toy-wise. She was brilliant. This one has a split, but a lot of these have that at the bottom. It's part of the perforation on this packaging, which really ain't gonna hold for that many years, but this is a sealed Ork egg. Oh, minifigure inside. Keep hearing in there. You're the Ork creature, folks. Mr. Ork creature. Should I open it? 1979. We've been looking a long time, folks. 36 years. 36 years, folks. Although it certainly felt like longer. Got the Jaws Premium, we got the Mork Mindy Ork egg with Creature, which is the first monochromatic minifigure issued in a slime egg container. Mattel started the whole slime thing with their slime containers, and it just kind of blew up from there. Mork Mindy was a huge show, so why not capitalize? Why isn't this focusing on the damn thing? There we go. This is a beautiful, beautiful toy, ladies and gentlemen. Not many of these floating around. Red or blue. Is he getting damaged in there? Should I take him out? What should I do? Hope you enjoy, folks. The Mattel Mork Mindy Ork egg. Let's do it. Alright. Okay. What's happening? Best way to do it to preserve the seal, which just comes on off, folks. Alright, put that back on the egg afterwards. Okay, now we're gonna open this egg. I reckon. This is possible. Okay. This can be lifted a little bit. Here's the actual storage container. There's that little guy there. Wow. The actual egg. Oh my goodness. A red one? I'd only seen blue before. Holy shit. Oh wow. Look at the slime. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. Minifigure militia. Dried up slime. Look at that with the minifigure. 1979. Wow, look at him. A dream come true toy. We gotta clean him up. 1979. Wow. Got a red one. Just need to rinse him off, huh? And slime. Check it out. That was so much toy fun, gang. Looks sort of like Dudley the Easter Bunny. Crossed with one of those little Mr. Men 70s toys. We definitely gonna